Okay. Now, so that you can highlight me what is the problem here. Three co-hosts are there. Now why I shall when I am making you people start. Sure. Now I'll go on. Now I'll go on to coming on topic because I'm in no mood to face the time. And some of you are logging since 45 minutes. Some
Yes.
of you are logging since
Yes.
45 minutes.
Yes, sir.
I was completely shocked at why these people are logging. Why these people are logging since past 15 minutes? By God, 17 to 18 members were logging. 17 to 18
Yes,
members.
sir.
Whenever you are free, don't log. Yeah, I am having
Exactly.
other classes now. So once I'll see you in the waiting room, I'll have put a question mark. Why these people are there in the waiting room when they're having class at 3 o'clock? Sure, problem is not there. Now coming on topic, the same old thing. Let us first go for the paper discussion because already in theory part we are far ahead. In theory part we are far ahead. We are there. The theory part problem it is not there. First let us go for the our paper discussion. So will you read the question for me or shall I share the screen with you?
In the group
Question
they
paper
posted, right?
Question paper I'll post you because already the question paper in some
Already
other
posted, sir.
already
Sir,
posted.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Batches
in our group it's posted, sir. Batch one. In batch two, I
Okay,
don't.
okay,
Batch.
not a problem, not a problem. So anyone can post from the anyone can share the screen with batch one. Maybe whomsoever the co-hosts are there, even they can go for problem is not there. Even they can go for the so that it will be common for everyone. So from Varshita is going on. Now I'll go for chemistry. Question number 136. I'll go for one by one. Can I say units of the first order rate reaction is third option, second inverse?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now coming for question number 137. For a first order rate reaction, 20% of the reaction is completed in 5 minutes. Find the time taken for the completion of 60% of the reaction. 60% of reaction, can I say roughly 20 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Those
sir.
who are having doubt, those who are having a doubt, see, you are having the two methods are there. One is called as a log method, another one is called as a what? Normal method it is there. If I am going for log method is a k is equal to 2.303 t. T they have given as in 5 minutes. And then it is log 100. It is 100 minus 20 because clearly in the question they have mentioned that 20% of the reaction is reacting in the what 5 minutes. So this is becoming 2.3035. It is log 100 by 80. It is there. This is nothing but 5 by 4. It is there. Log 5 is 0.6990 and log 4 is 0.6020. It is so it is becoming 2.303 into 0.0970 by 5. By this, you got the K. For a given reaction, the value of the K will remain same. And now I'll go for the second one. What is second one saying? Time taken for 60% of reaction. 2.303. This K value I'll put here. Log 100 and 100 minus 60. Clearly, question is saying 60% has been completed. By this, you have to calculate time. So check this method is a lengthy method also. In addition to that, you are not having any idea regarding the log. So when you are there at home and by hiding or by your using the calculator, then I can't say. Otherwise, I have trained you in the simple method. I have trained you in the simple method, that is conceptual method. And the same type of the one question in the class also we have done. Same type of the question in the class also we have done. I'll show you. First, let us go for this one. In the starting, it is 100. And for a first order reaction, the fraction reacted in a given time does not depends upon initial concentration. Does not depends upon initial concentration. 20% reacted in 5 minutes. So I will say 80% is left over. So whatever the series I am writing on the blackboard is nothing but left over. It is there. Now in the second 5 minute, in the second 5 minute, further 20% reacted. 20% of the 80 is nothing but 16. Out of 80, 16 is removed, and therefore it is 64. Anyone remembering? It is just looking like in our Akash book question.
Yes.
Yes. Akash book question, and there we got something. Answer was 205.
Yes, sir. Not five.
5 minute was there, and I have solved only up to 200 only, exactly same. Now here I'll go for the 20%. Here again I'll go for the 5 minutes. Once I'm going for the here 5 minutes, 20% of the 64 is a 12.8. 20% of the 60 is 12.8. Can anyone tell me 64 minus 12.8? Can anyone tell me 64 minus 12.8? Can I say 51.2?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in further 5 minutes, 20% reacted. 20% of 51.2 is nothing but it is
40.96.
it is 4, it is 2, 10.24. So from this, if I am going on removing 10.24, it is nothing but 40.9 left over. Roughly 40% left over. 40% left over means 60% reacted.
Yes, sir.
5. It is nothing but 20 minutes. So this is the simple way of solving the question. Simple way. If unable to solve in a simple way, inevitable condition, it is there. Conceptual method is not helping you. Then you are taking the log as a last resort. Otherwise, log should not be taken into starting only. Now coming for question number 138. Find the rate constant of a first order reaction if a 75% of this reaction completes in 13.86. So it has clearly given hint. What clearly given hint? 75%. So we know for a first order reaction, T75% is equal to 250%. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
T75, T3 by 4 is nothing but 2 T half. It is 50% means
Yes.
nothing. So I'll say that T50% is equal to, sometime they have given 13.86. 13.86 by 2. If we got T half, calculation of the K value is very simple. So can I say K is equal to 0.693 by T half? Yes, this is the formula. So here I'll go for 0.693, and here I'll go for 13.86, and here I'll go for 2. So therefore, this is nothing but becoming 1.836, 13.86. Can I say 0.1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, coming for question number 139. Clearly, question is saying if concentration of A alone is a double, rate becomes double. Means with respect to A, it is a first order reaction. When concentration of B alone is doubled, rate becomes 4 times. So with respect to the B, the second order reaction. So can I say total order, third order reaction?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anywhere, if you're having a doubt, stop me and definitely ask. 149, can I say Akash book question straight away?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is second option. Now coming for question 141. Coming for question 141. In question number 141, can I say by observing the value, it is looking like endothermic reaction?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Positive.
Why reaction? Why endothermic reaction? Clearly they have mentioned, activation energy for the forward is a 25 and activation energy for the backward is 15. So activation energy of the forward is more. It is a property only for endothermic reaction. If you are having a doubt, draw diagram. It is energy, it is reaction coordinate, and now this value is bigger and this value is 25. This value is a smaller, this value is a 15, correct? And whatever this gap it is there, This gap is nothing but delta H. So can I say delta H is nothing but plus 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This clearly indicates it is the example of the water endothermic reaction. Question number 142. How many times the rate of the reaction will increase when 30 to 80? So can I say 32 times?
Yes, sir. 2
Yes,
to the
sir.
power 5.
Now coming for question 143. 143 is again class question. 143 is again class question. And this question, even the revision also I have done yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And I have mentioned, if this is the way yesterday in the revision I have mentioned to you, if activation energy is 0, K at T is equal to K T hash, and T is not equal to T hash, it is there. So rate constant at two different temperatures will be same. So I will write here K 280. 280 is given.
2 into 10 to the power 4, sir.
K 280, K 300 is nothing. This will remain same. And what is the value given? 2 into?
10 to the power minus 4.
That's all. So whatever the value for the 280 is there, same for the 300. Clearly, question is saying concentration of reactant doubled, rate of the reaction increased 4 times. So can I say it is second option?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is second option. Because if concentration is doubled, rate will become 4 times. 146, can I say class question 3 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is 3 by 2. Now coming
Yes,
for new
sir.
question 147. We'll go for the 147. Which of the following is a temperature independent? Can I say molality is temperature independent, small m?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, molality is temperature independent. Now question is saying, find the molarity. So we know formula. What is the formula? Formula is normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Normality is equal to molarity into n factor. So can I say molarity is equal to normality divided by n factor? Here normality is 0.3, and in the orthophosphoric acid, n factor is 3. Why? It is
Yes, sir.
having 3 replaceable hydrogen atoms. So 0.3 by 3 is nothing but equal to 0.1. It is there. 0.1, it is there. Now coming for next question, question 49. Find the molality of 10% weight by weight NaCl. So as they have given 10% weight by weight, straight away putting on the formula. Straight away putting on the formula. Straight away putting on the formula. Straight away means main formula is molality is equal to weight divided by gram molecular mass into 1000 divided by weight of the solvent in terms of the gram. Clearly, they have mentioned 10% weight by weight. 10% weight by weight means 10 grams of the substance. What substance they have given? Sodium.
NaOH.
Sodium.
Na-
40.
Sodium. It is a 40 into 1000 divided by 90. It is a 90.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
10% means weight by weight means 10 grams of the solute is dissolved in the 90 grams of solvent. It is nothing but becoming 4. It is nothing but becoming 250. It is nothing but 25 nines are 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. And then leftover is a water 7. It is there. Correct? 9 sevens are 63. So answer 2.7 m. So therefore, can I say second option?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming for question number 150. In 150, what is question asked? 100 ml of K1O4 reacts with us. Find the molarity of K1O4. Again, class question. Again, it is a class question. So K1O4 is there and oxalic acid it is there. I will apply formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. One is a K1O4, another one is oxalic acid. You are not forgetting this concept. Normality is equal to molarity into N factor. Coming for K1O4, on the place of normality, I will write molarity into N factor. And now I will write here molarity. What is question asked? Question has jumped somewhere better. Where is the question? 100 ml. So in the question, 100 ml of K1O4. So molarity for K1O4 in acidic medium, M factor is 5.
5.
This is volume is 100. 100 volume
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and reacts with 100 ml of K1O4, 100 ml of 0.05. This is 100, correct? Now coming for normality is equal to molarity. This is nothing but 0.05 into 2. Into 2 by 2, because for oxalic acid N factor is 2. 100 and 100 gets cancelled. Gets cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So can I say it is nothing but becoming how much equal to? Now tell me molarity is equal to how much equal to? Can I say? Option straight away. Show the option. Can I say first option?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
0.0.
sir. 0.02.
Units of molality is second option, moles per kg. Which of the following solution is? Which of the following solution is? Which of the following solution is? Wait. 152.
152.
X grams of sodium hydroxide completely neutralizes 0.1 m 100 ml sulfuric acid. 100 ml sulfuric acid. So find the X. Probably X will be 0.8. Probably X will be 0.8. Simply I have cross multiplied. How? This two formulas I have taught you. N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Another is this is the formula. In this question, this formula is applicable because sodium hydroxide, for sodium hydroxide volume they have not given. So this is the sodium hydroxide, it is there, and then this is sulfuric acid. This is X, and for gram equivalent mass of sodium hydroxide is a 40. For sodium hydroxide, M factor is 1. It is monoacidic base, it is there. Therefore, molarity and normality both are the same, it is there. Very careful, here it is a normality. Normality is nothing but molarity into N factor. N factor of sulfuric acid is a 2 because 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms, and they have given 100 ml of sulfuric acid volume in liters. It is nothing but this one. So this is nothing but 40 into 0.02. So can I say it is nothing but 0.8 grams?
Yes, sir.
Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Now coming for question number 150, 153. 153 is the class question. Class question. Straight away first option.
1.
Yes, sir.
M
Yes,
is
sir.
concentrated. C and D is out of competition. Question 154. Class type question. Sum of the mole fraction of all the three components X, Y, and Z. Sum of all the three is 1. Out of that 1, X itself is the 0.5. When X itself is the 0.5, then sum of the Y and Z will be less than 0.5. So guaranteed Z will be further less.
0.3.
So yes, answer is Z is less than 0.5 and 0.5 is only fourth option. Next. On dissolving each of the following 1 liter, the acid which gives a strength of the 1 normal, wherever the acid which does not give, it is fourth option. In first option, N factor is 1. In second option, N factor is 1. In third option, N factor is 1. In whatever our fourth option is there, N factor is 3. So
Yes.
therefore, in the fourth option only, molarity won't be equal to normality. New question. Find the molarity of 9.8% weight by volume. Weight by volume, can I say answer first option, 1m?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Straight away putting on the formula. Straight away putting on the formula. Molarity is equal to 10 into weight by volume percentage divided by gram molecular mass. So 10 into 9.8 divided by 98 is nothing but equal to 1. Question is saying find the mole fraction of 10.6 weight by weight percent sodium carbonate. So once it is 10.6% sodium carbonate, it is there. So for this, I'll go in this way. Mole fraction. So I will write here mole fraction of a sodium carbonate is equal to number of moles of sodium carbonate plus number of moles of water, because as nothing they have given, I will take the solvent as a water because it is a thumb rule, it is there. Now clearly they have given what percentage? 10.6. 10.6 weight by weight percentage means 10.6 grams of sodium carbonate is there in 89.40 grams of water. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because out of 100, I have removed 10.6. It is nothing but becoming 89.4. It is there. Now straight away I'll go for. This is nothing but 10.6 gram molecular mass is 106. 10.6, it is nothing but 106 plus 89.4. For convenience, I will take this as a 90. Only for convenience, for easy solving. Only for easy solving. This is nothing but becoming 0.1, and this is nothing but becoming 5.1. Can I say?
Yes,
This
sir.
is 5 and this is 1. So therefore, this is nothing but 1 by 51. So 1 by 51 means 0.0. 51 ones are. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
So keeping this in the mind, what is the answer? Can I say it is roughly 19? Can I say?
Yes, sir. 0.2.
Yes, sir.
It is
0.02.
It is 0.02. Can I say?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
0.02. 0.02. Next question. 158.
Zero order reaction.
Zero order, sir.
Yes, in presence of
Photochemical.
light, it is zero order reaction. Presence of light means it is a zero order reaction. It is there. That's correct. It's over. Thank you, Beta. Strength is very less. Combined class, it is there. Only 114 members are there, including me. Regularly, I will get 75 members in section A and 75 in section B. Yes, regularly. Means 150 members. Already I am ahead in the theory part. 4 to 5 days ahead. Because now I have to start from today onwards or tomorrow onwards solubility. Better said tomorrow onwards solubility in the schedule. Solubility part I have completed. Vapor pressure part I have completed. Raoult's law I have started, correct now? I have started, and even the equation for the Raoult's law also I have given to you. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
yes, so now I'm in no mood to waste your time and my time, because if now I'm going for most of the boys and girls to lose the regular class, I'm in no mood to make them lose the regular class. So therefore, just within half an hour only, I'm completing the meeting because paper discussion has been over. Again, I'll ask you for the formality. Any doubt left over from 136 to 158?
No, sir.
No,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Any conceptual, any formula, any understanding? Because this was the first unit test you wrote. This was the first unit test you wrote after 1 month plus. For you, classes are there since May 2nd or May 3rd?
May 3rd, sir.
May 3rd. So today is June 9th. So yes, after 1 month probably, or 1 month, 7 days roughly, you are writing this examination. By unit test only you will get the idea, and we will get the idea how is your performance in the cumulative way. Every week you are having very small portion. That small portion you are able to mug up or remember whatever you say, able to mug up, able to remember, able to understand whatever you say. But when cumulative paper of the 1 month syllabus it is there, mugging is not so easy. Remembering is not so easy. Then whatever the marks comes, it is an indicator for you also that in which area you are weaker, what silly mistake you have done, or how to change your way of reading it is there. It gives us information.
Yes, sir.
Plus, it gives us information us also. where that boy or the girl is standing. Okay, because of some health issues are there, you are absent for a longer time, therefore marks is less. That's chalta hai, not a problem. Because of health issues, because of any other secondary issues, if marks is less, chalta hai. But you are not absent for a single day, daily coming to the college, daily listening classes, but marks is less. Then there change is required in the way of the reading. Help of the lecture is required. Sir, what shall I do to improve my marks? I was not absent for a single day also, sir, but I'm getting less marks. Then teacher will ask you some few questions. And based upon that, teacher will come on the conclusion, what mistake you are doing. What mistake you are doing. And this you will do only if secondary effects are not there. Summer it is there. All the relatives are coming at the home and disturbing you. You can't ask that to teacher, correct? That your parents have to think of. Teacher can't help you how to get rid of the relatives, correct? You got some fever or family members' health is not good. If all these things are there, then getting less marks, chalo, next time you will improve, because definitely your health won't be bad for a longer time. Definitely within 1 week you will recover. If any something is there at the home, yes, after some time again you will recover. But I am saying that daily coming to the class, there is no secondary issues are there, then marks should not be less. Marks should not be less. Marks should be moderate. What is moderate? Under any circumstances, whatever the tough paper it is there, whatever the mamul paper it is there, under any circumstances, you should not get marks less than 520. Huh? What you are talking, sir? What you are talking, beta? 520 is the minimum marks you have to get in open competition to become doctor, qualify NEET in open competition. I'm not talking regarding SC, ST, OBC, and minorities. I'm talking regarding open competition. If you will keep an aim of 520, then you will cross the 520. Aim should be there. Barrier should be there. They will not say race. Specify 100-meter race only. A barrier it is there. Marathon, again, marathon they'll mention 35-kilometer marathon, 40-kilometer marathon, 7-kilometer marathon, specified.
Yes.
Simply marathon. Go on circumnavigating the earth. That is not there. That is not there. So for you also, some target has to be kept. And target is 520. Sir, I'm already getting 620. Very good. Very good. Try to get 720. Try to get 720. Sir, I'm getting 480. You are very nearby. You're very, very nearby. Sir, I'm getting 380. Hard work is required. I'm sorry, smart work is required. Hard work you are doing. Smart work is required. No, sir, now I'm getting 380. For me, any chance of improvement it is there. Complete 1 year is left over. Complete 1 year is left over. Slowly, slowly, slowly you will improve. 1 year, not academic year, 1 calendar year is left over for you. Guarantee for you also examination won't be in the June. It will be in the July, August only for you. 1 calendar year, one academic year is of the 9 months only. Calendar year is left over. Easily improvement will be there. So now getting 380, 520 won't be difficult. And remember, always in the final examination, you will get 35 to 40 marks more than your average marks. I'm not saying daily marks. After 2 years completion, we'll calculate average marks. You are getting 480, getting 500, getting 640, all the test marks will average. So in comparison to your average marks, you will get 35 or 40 minimum high marks in the final examination. Why? Final examination papers are very easy in comparison to local papers. In comparison to local papers. So nothing to worry. Full time it is there. Full time it is there. Only one thing you have to see, how to improve yourself, how to rectify the mistakes, how to minimize the mistakes. You have to give stress on that only. And those who are the early birds are there, those who will fly early, they will get seat very easily. So try to fly from now onwards only. Do hard work now only. No, sir, now days are not good. From August 15 after independence, I will read. No, sir, after Dasara, I will read. No, sir, after New Year, I will read. After Sankranti, I will read. No, start from day one. Start from day one. So by this unit test 1, you will get a clear idea. Your introspection is required. Introspection is required. हम कितने पानी में हैं? In how much water we are there? In how much water we are there? And if you are very, very good, don't get overexcited. I am king. If you're getting less marks, don't become Nobita. No, don't become. Over excitation or over depression, both are going to harm you. Just take help of a teacher. Any teacher whomsoever you want to speak out, maybe myself or maybe other, so many teachers are there, not a problem. But once me, put a message. Straight away, I won't lift the phone of a Brahma also. If on my cell phone it is coming, I am Brahma, the God. Sanjay Singh, lift the phone, I won't lift the phone. To my father phone also I won't lift. I will only give ring to him. Clear, it is conditional with my father. You won't give ring to me. I will only give daily ring to you. My father is an old man now. He's not having information regarding my timings. Whenever he will free, he will give call to me. I get disturbed. So same thing for you also. If you are giving the message and if I'm reading the message after classes, definitely I'll talk to you. Definitely I'll talk to you. So now I'm closing the meeting. You are getting the time, 25 minutes extra getting, correct? So better in that you eat something or get relaxed or mentally get feel so that you can prepare for the next class.
Yes,
See you
sir.
later. Thank you. Let us meet tomorrow. Thank you, beta.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, beta. Bye-bye.